one of my favorite, or not favorite, one of the YouTubers that I watch all the time. Hi there, Internet Peoples. This is Bo. No, just kidding. I'm not Bo. On August 9th, my youngest starts kindergarten through virtual school because of the COVID pandemic we're experiencing still here in Florida for whatever reasons. So we're going to play it safe, and he's going to be studying at home, and I'm going to be teacher. We have a Hewlett-Packard wireless LaserJet inkjet printer combination scanner, but the ink is really expensive. It's like $40 for the extra large black ink. And before the pandemic hit, my employer threw out a LaserJet that has Windows 10 drivers and is USB driven. So I intend on using a network. I can find it somewhere around here. I was just talking about this with my nephew about putting products in your videos and giving out free advertising. So I went out to a online retailer that has an orange egg for the logo. You know what that one is? You know where to find this. I'm not giving you a recommendation. I haven't used this yet. But for $25, it's a lot cheaper than a Hewlett-Packard Jet Direct card at $150, especially since the LaserJet was free. I checked the duty cycle on the LaserJet. That LaserJet has a duty cycle of 85,000 printouts. It's currently at 16,000. So for the amount of print jobs that we're going to be putting it through, they're probably lasting a year or two, maybe three. But in order for it to go in the house, I have to build a small pedestal for it. For the LaserJet to go in the house, I had to build a small pedestal for it. I have 26 inches of space between the floor and the bottom of the desk that I built, the desk that I built for the house. The LaserJet takes up 13 inches. I want to give an extra 6 inches of clearance between the top of the LaserJet and where the desk will hit. So that leaves me 19 inches out of 26. It is a 7-inch pedestal, so it's not going to be that big. It'll just be probably a piece of 2x12 with a couple of pieces of 4-inch 2x12s pieces, make it like a pi symbol. A simple little step to keep the printer off the floor, and then probably I'll add some 1/4-inch ply or 1/2-inch ply to the bottom, and that way I can keep the paper. I'll figure something out. You guys will probably come along for the ride for that one as well. So I put away my table saw for today. I'm going to make the pedestal right now, and when I come back, you'll see the pedestal. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm done. So this is it. There's something to write home about. I've left an overhang in the back for pass-through cables and ventilation. It's got an inch from the front, the legs. It's gonna hold the printer. It's not gonna be. It's not Art Deco, and it's functional. It's a pedestal. It's made out of leftover 2x12 that I used to make the tops to the desks. So it's free, with the exception of a little wood glue and 3-inch deck screws, exterior grade deck screws. I didn't even bother countersinking the holes. It's just tight, and then tight to the wood, and then a little bit more just for it to sink into the wood. I cleaned off the wood with 320 grit sandpaper on my orbital. It was outside collecting dust and rain and grime and everything else. So when it dries, and if the wife wants, I'll stain it whatever color she wants because it's ready prep for stain, and then I'll poly it whatever shade of polyurethane she wants. So for right now, this is just to hold in hand-me-down. I want to say the LaserJet's at least 10 years old. It's going to be under dust, tucked away. No one's ever going to see it unless you remove the LaserJet or point to it. That's it. It's meant to be inconspicuous and to hold the electronics off the ground, so in case water happens to leak out of a pump from the AC unit, we don't have to worry about it shorting out. Thank you for watching Leo Builds It. This is a really short video. Tomorrow we'll continue the domino table. I just thought I had to do something, complete something today, and that's what I did. I completed this today. I'm going to go inside and take the print server and find a 25-foot cord for the print server to have a dedicated network line to the switch, and then add it as a network printer to the house computers so that everyone can print to the LaserJet if they have to do like mass documents and whatnot. Any hoozle, thank you for watching Leo Builds It. Please comment, like, and or subscribe. Prefer the subscribes. We are at 59 as of a week ago when I checked. I haven't been active, so I just check every once in a while to see if anyone's clicked that subscription button. If you like the video, like it, comment, subscribe. I reply to all the comments. I don't get a whole lot of comments, so if you guys comment, I will reply. Click the notification bell next to the subscription button, which is down around here, and I'm pointing to the ground because I don't know exactly where it's at. You might be looking at it on your phone or your tablet or your computer, but it's normally on the lower right hand side of the screen, which is where I'm pointing. Right down here, this little red button, click on it please. It's going to help me out immensely. This is a project for my stepdaughter. I'm painting reed. I'll explain in a different video what this is later on after I shower and get dehumidified and de-sawdust and whatnot. Thank you guys for watching again. Please comment, like, and hit that red button to subscribe. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.